A 5-judge bench will on Thursday begin hearing the case by the Director of Public Prosecutions that seeks determination of the High Court on whether Deputy Chief Justice Philomena Mwilu is immune from criminal prosecution or not. That case is the hinge on which Noordin Haji's prosecution of Mwilu swings in a corruption case in which the DCJ is accused of abuse of office, bribery and failure to pay taxes in relation to the collapsed Imperial Bank. Mwilu is opposed to her prosecution, claiming ill motive and holding that any complaints against her should be pursued through the Judicial Service Commission. But she is a member of the commission. And to do that, Haji appointed UK-based Queens Counsel Khawar Qureshi, a law professor and an advocate of 28 years.
He's not coming here to handle corruption cases, all of them. He's coming for a particular case, and that is the case of the DCJ. The Deputy Chief Justice, which is a case of great public importance, as you will all agree.
A Queen's Counsel is a senior lawyer appointed and endorsed by the head of the British Ministry of Justice. Haji is saying the single sourcing of a foreign lawyer was informed by political influence and perception of bias against advocates, including some of his officers.
I would have loved to have Senator Orengo to hold brief for the DPP. But as you all know, I think a lot of the senior counsels either appeared or were not comfortable handling the DCJ case. And it's not only them, I think also the DPP eventually, because it's a very sensitive matter. And in my opinion, I felt that we needed an independent person who could be able to address the issues that are before the High Court.
The Deputy Chief Justice is the second senior most in the judiciary. And there are very many senior lawyers who have appeared before the Deputy Chief Justice. Some may not be comfortable perhaps because of potential conflict or because of personal views or for any other reason. So maybe the reason why he has chosen to have a external lawyer come in is someone who is not influenced in any way or has never participated in the system.
QC Qureshi has practiced commercial litigation, international arbitration, public international law, as well as administrative and constitutional law. DPP Haji has also picked 3 senior lawyers to serve as special prosecutors, believed to also support the Queen's Counsel in Mwilu's case. They are former public prosecutor Philip Murgo, who has been an advocate since 1986 and ever served as a criminal advisor on prosecutorial duties. Former Mombasa Mayor Taib Ali Taib, an advocate of 30 years, will also sit in the Special Prosecutors panel alongside James Muruthi Kihara, who is a fellow of the Chartered Institute of Arbitrators.
Look, at the end of the day, it's really up to what the evidence is and what the law is. That's it. Whatever lawyer you are, it is up to you to put up your case.
In a statement, Haji says he had advertised to recruit special prosecutors, but only got 15 applications, out of which he picked the 3. More special prosecutors will be picked in the coming days and weeks as the DPP seeks to strengthen his side of litigation in dealing with graft. The 5-judge bench to hear DCJ's case comprises Mumbi Ngugi, Helen Omondi, Francis Tuyot, William Osioka and Chacha Mwita. Sam Getuko, Citizen TV, Nairobi.